Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, you can watch that on KXAN tomorrow morning. When it comes to weather, we're going to have to watch this closely because it's actually New York law that those winds have to be less than 23 miles per hour sustained. Wind gusts have to be less than 35 miles per hour. They've actually never completely canceled the parade because of weather. They had a couple cancellations back during World War II. But when it comes to parade impacts, there have been years where they had to ground the balloons. I'm sure some of us remember 97, the Barney and the Pink Panther incident, wind gusts 40 miles per hour, right? The police had to stab the balloon to get it deflated. It was very traumatizing when you're 5 years old, right? And a Barney lover. 2018, temperatures never left the teens. So we've had some pretty cold years. But tomorrow, we do have some wind gusts right near that threshold in New York City. So it's something that we'll watch very closely for those who do look forward to seeing those balloons take flight on the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. That is your First Morning Weather University lesson of the day.